everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to choose an account before you log into Steam. Now, using this method, you won't have to type in a password or anything, but you can see I have two different accounts on here. Your 6 Gaming, I don't have a profile picture, and then here is Your 6 Studio. So to do this, simply just go to one of the accounts. So let's go to this one, and then I'm going to log in. And once I'm logging in, all you have to do is go up to Steam and then go to Change Accounts. And then you should be prompted with a little text box indicating if you want to go ahead and just see the different profiles on startup. So I'm logged into my account. Let's go ahead and minimize this. Go up to Steam and then go to Change Account right here. And it says Change Account. This will allow you to select another Steam account. Your current account will be saved on this computer so you can switch back to it in the future. And check mark this box. Ask which account to use each time Steam starts. So just check mark this. And you can see the different accounts each time you log into Steam. So you start your computer or something like that. Well, it's going to bring open that text box or this box right here where you have to pick the account. So it's not just going to automatically log in. So you can choose the account under here. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your 6 Gaming Tech.